Doing the sample question paper by CBSE. So it will have A, B, C, D, E as usual 5 section. Section A 21 question will carry 1 marks each. So we'll start with the question number 1. So question number 1 is state true or false. The Python interpreter handles logical error during code execution. This is false. It doesn't handles logical error. Second question, identify the output of the following code snippet. Text is Python program, and next line we are assigning text equal to text dot replace py by hash. So wherever py will be there, it will be replaced by hash, not p separate and y separate. When it will be together, then only. So we have py here, so it will replace by hash. So hash thon program will be the output. So option A is the correct output. Which of the following expression evaluates to false? So not true will be false. False and false is false. So option A only is the correct option, but we will see. True or false, then it will be true. First bracket will elevate for the option C. False and true will be false, not false is true, and false not false is true, true and true is true. So only A we are getting false, rest of the 3 are true. Now the question number 4 is what is the output of the expression? So str string has international in it, and we are printing str.split at n. So what split function does? It splits the string whatever the argument will give. Here we are giving n. So it will split the string at n. So it will split from here, then here, n. So we will get 1, 2, 3, 4. A list with 4 elements. The first will be I, the second will be TER, ATION, third, and AL will be the fourth. So A and B looks very similar. We got all the 4, but the thing is A is with the small brace, it's a tuple, and the B with the big bracket, it's a list type. So we get the split output as a list type, so that's why B will be the correct option. Now the question number 5, what will be the output of the following code snippet? str world peace and print str -2 colon, there is no argument here, then colon -2. So what this function does, this is string slicing, and we know the positive index starts from 0, 1, 2, 3 like that, and negative index starts -1, -2, -3, and it go backside. And when there is no argument in the middle, that means if it is starting from negative, it will go till the start of the string, and this is the step. So we will start from -2, so -1, -2, C will get printed, then -2 we have to add -2 the step, so we have to go -4, so this is -3, -4, E will be printed, then 6, -6, so this is -5, this minus space will be printed, then L, O, so our output will be C, E space L, O. There is no option over here, but that will be the output. What will be the output of the following code? Tuple 1, 2, 3, tuple 2 equal to tuple 1 plus equal to 4 comma, and print tuple equal to tuple 2. So what we are doing here, we are initializing tuple 1 with 1, 2, 3 element, then we are assigning tuple 1 into tuple 2, then we are changing the tuple 1 here by adding one more element to the tuple 1, but this will not change the tuple 2. So tuple 1 equal to tuple 2 will be false. So B will be the correct option. If my dict is a dictionary as defined below, then which of the following statement will raise an exception? So this is a dictionary data type, this is key value. So my dict dot get orange, print my dict apple comma banana. This is the wrong. We cannot access multiple key like this. So option B will be the will throw the exception. And my dict apple equal to 20, we are changing the value, and here we are just changing the dictionary into a string type. So B will raise an exception. Question number 8. What does the list dot remove x method do in Python? So it will remove the first occurrence of this element. So A is remove the element at x from the list. No, removes the first occurrence of the value x from the list. So that is the B is the correct option. Removes all the occurrence. No, removes the last occurrence. That is also false. Now question number 9. Which of the following statements will cause an error? T equal to 1 comma. Like this also we can initialize a tuple. This will be a tuple data type. T equal to 1 comma. That is also correct. So T equal to in small bracket 1, that is also correct. D is the false. We cannot create a tuple like this because we are passing only one argument, one value. If we can use the tuple method, but we have to provide proper tuple value. So question number 10, write the missing statement to complete the following code. File equal to open example.txt comma r. So we have opened a file name example.txt in read mode. Then data equal to file.read100. And now dash move the file pointer to the beginning of the file. So to move the pointer at the beginning of the file, we can use the seek method with the argument 0. If we do file.seek 0, it will move the cursor to the beginning of the file. Number 11, state whether the following statement is true or false. The finally block in Python is executed only if no exception occurs in the try block. False है, finally block will be executed whether we will get exception or not. So this statement is false. Now question number 12, what will be the output of the following code? So add is a method over here and we are calling add with the value c equal to 15. We are trying to print c and hash. So in first line we are assigning the value of c to 10. Then function definition is there, but we are not calling, so we are calling from here. So now it will global c, that means it is trying to access this c. So c value is 10, 10 equal to c equal to 10 plus 2. So c will get the value 12. We are printing 12, then hash. After that we are assigning the value c equal to 15, then again printing c and equal to that means here 12 hash then 15 percentage. So 12 has 15 percentage. Question number so option number C will be the correct. Which SQL command can change the degree of an existing relationship? So what is a degree of a relation? The number of the column is called the degree. So which SQL command can change? So with the help of alter command, we can add additional column. So alter can be the command with which we can change the degree of an existing relation. And relation is your table only. Relation is called table. Degree is the number of columns. With the alter command, we can change. What will be the output of the query? Select star from product where product name like app percentage. This is wild character. So the first three letters should be APP. After that it can be any number. So we are trying to find the product where the product name starts with APP. So details of the all product whose name start with APP, correct. Details of all product whose name ends with wrong. Names of product whose name start with APP, no. Name of all products whose name end with APP, no. So these two are same. Names, no, here details. Select star. That means we are trying to get all the columns. That means details of the product. Here it's telling names of the product. That's why it is false. In which data type the value stored is padded with the spaces to fit the specified length. So var is variable. In char only it takes fixed number of length. So the value is stored with the space padded to it. So question number 16, which aggregate function can be used to find the cardinality of a table? Cardinality is the number of the rows. So with the help of count function, we can get the number of the rows, which is cardinality of the table. Now question number 17, which protocol is used to transfer files over the internet? So file transfer protocol, FTP. Rest we know HTTP hypertext transfer protocol, PPP is point to point protocol, and HTTP is same, that hypertext transfer protocol, secure. So FTP is the protocol to send files over internet. Now question number 18, which network device is used to connect two networks that use different protocols? So for that we use gateway when there are two networks that use a different protocol. Question number 19, which switching technique breaks data into smaller packets for transmission, allowing multiple packets to share same network resources? So it's called packet switching. Now question 20 and 21 is assertion and reasoning type. If both A and R true and R is the correct explanation, then you have to do option A. If both A and R true but not correct explanation, then B. If A is true, R is false, then C. If A is false and R is true, then D. So our assertion, in case of positional argument, the function call and function definition statement match in the terms of number and the order of arguments, which is true. पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट क्या होता है, जो हम वी पास द एनी फंक्शन डेफिनेशन वी पास द आर्ग्यूमेंट. जैसे हम यहीं पर ये एग्जांपल ले लें, यहाँ पे कोई आर्ग्यूमेंट पास ही नहीं हुआ, बट इफ़ वी पास द आर्ग्यूमेंट ए कॉमा बी लाइक दैट इज़ कॉल्ड पोजिशनल आर्ग्यूमेंट. So what is the reasoning? During a functional call, positional argument should precede keyword argument in the argument list. And ये keyword argument क्या होता है? Keyword argument होता है where we have given the name of that argument. In that order doesn't matter. So ये भी true है, लेकिन this is not the so both A and R is correct, but R is not the correct. Then we have to do option B. So question number 20, option B will be the correct answer. Assertion: a select command in SQL can have both where and having clause. Correct. A select command can have both. Where and having clauses are used to check condition, therefore they can be used interchangeably. That is false. ये हैविंग कंडीशन चेक करने के लिए यूज़ किया जाता है, विच इज़ ट्रू, बट वी यूज़ द हैविंग क्लॉज इन द ग्रुप बाय स्टेटमेंट. वी कैन नॉट use having and where interchangeably. So A is true, R is false. A is true, R is false. So question option C will be the correct answer for question number 21.